The El Porto gazebo was sold at Orchard Supply Hardware. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 5LGZ6526-D-200. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12 and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round frame posts, arched bar located around top perimeter of frame. The canopy attaches to the frame by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the El Porto gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We are here to help.